Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need either a non-Gmail Google account or a direct meet invitation link. This is how Google identifies you without at Gmail. First, open a supported browser or the Meet app and paste the meeting link or click the invite. When prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials or continue as guest if the host enabled guest access. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions. This prevents last-minute permission blocks and lets you test audio and video immediately. Once in the lobby, enter the display name that other participants will see. This matters for identification when you lack a Gmail profile. If you're not auto-admitted, click Ask to Join. The host will review and admit you. After joining, locate the toolbar, mute/unmute, camera on/off, captions, and tile view. Pin or present only when needed. Make sure to check audio devices in settings if others can't hear you, and switch cameras if your video looks wrong. As the meeting wraps up, stop presenting and leave the call cleanly. If you need a recording or transcript, request the host beforehand since guests often lack recording rights. If connection drops, refresh your browser or rejoin using the same link. Switching networks or restarting the app usually resolves unstable audio or video. If you're denied entry, ask the organizer to enable guest access or send a direct invite to your Google account email so future joins are seamless. Remember to test devices in advance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.